Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we are going to analyze Jasmy. None of the content is financial advice. Right now, the price of Jasmy is in an uptrend. You can check out over the last 24 hours, the price has rallied 13% over the last 7 days, up by about 53%. Over the last 30 days, up by about 31%. Price is still below 1 cent. A market cap slightly under 465 million. The circulating supply at around 50 billion, out of which 98.98, almost 99% of the supply is in circulation. Volume is at around 158 million, which is about 30% of, or slightly more than 30% of the market cap. So that's a good sign in terms of active trading volume. Over the last year, again, price has been quite disappointing. But if you go back to the last month, price essentially did a 2x, a little under 2x from this half of a cent level to now almost at around zero point 0.9 of a cent. So price did in the short term rally quite a bit. If we were to go back and check the technical analysis of the price, you would find that again the price is still below this white line, which is the 200 week simple moving average. Simple moving average of the first 200 week again, from 2021 when Jasmy was launched. Again, 200 weeks later was in late December 2024. Um, at that point, the 200 week simple moving average was at around 16 cents, but again it came crashing down. Now it's at around somewhere at around 1.3 or 1.4 cents. So in the next major rally again, if this uptrend for Jasmy were to continue, the first milestone in terms of where the price could face some sort of a resistance would be at around 1.3 cents, which is in terms of the percentages. If we were to check how much Jasmy would have to rally to get to that point, again right now the price is at around 0.91, so about 45% rally from here to the 200 week simple moving average. Again, not financial advice. If we were to look at other indicators, again this is the 20 week simple moving average for Jasmy, again in this red line over here, and the 21 week exponential moving average. The price is very close to both of these moving average, that those are at around 0.97 of a cent, and um, the 20 week is almost at 1 cents level. So those again levels could be respected for a while. Again, price takes a while to break out of these resistances. If it has been under that level, again a couple of weeks to get above it again, and then again face some challenge over here and come crashing down one more time. Again, similar story over here in May 2025 and in July 2025. Price has not held that 20 week simple moving average as support for a while now. But again, if there is a rally above the 20 week simple moving average, usually at this blue line over here, which is the 50 week simple moving average at around 1.38 cents, again very close to the 200 week simple moving average. All of them are within touching distance. So those are the shorter term predictions for Jasmy. If we were to go back to the machine learning based price forecast, again if there is one more counter trend rally in 2026, the peak estimated is at around little under 2 cents if the rally stays in the bullish mode from now till end of March 2026. On the other hand, if there is a continued downturn for Jasmy, the 0.76 cents is considered as a um, base case scenario towards the middle part of 2026. And if there is a macro drop uh, to the levels, again not as low as about in January 2023, in 2026 the level forecasted in a bearish case is at around almost one third of a cent, so that is 0.0036 cents is the bear market bottom forecasted in a non-panic uh, scenario for Jasmy, which is again from the current price. In terms of a drawdown from the current price, it would be um, 0.3 level, 0.33 level, around 60-61% drawdown of the current price. per the machine learning based price forecast. Again, it's not that hard to imagine in a bear market year for cryptos to have a drawdown of 60%. Again, if you look at the ROI for some of the years, for let's say 2022, this is Bitcoin in 2022. Towards the end of the year, the ROI was negative 65%. So again, if Bitcoin could drop 65%, again in that scenario, again Jasmy, which is a lesser known altcoin, could easily drop 65% on its on bear market. So the regression based fair value for Jasmy as it stands today is at around 4.3 cents. Again, price is heavily undervalued per this interpretation of the polynomial regression model. Right now, again, whenever the price has been below this green line over here, those times are the one standard deviation residual drawn to the downside. Price usually does catch up to the one standard deviation ceiling, which is at around 0.158 or again 1.5 or 1.6 cents level for Jasmy. In terms of the time weighted average price has consistently been below the blue line again, with no change in this model anytime soon. The time weighted average price is all the way at around 12 cents. Price is well below that level again, even again lower than 1/10 of that level. So again, time weighted average price has not been a great indicator, as the price during the launch was above $4. Now it's, again, I know the tokenomics has changed, but again price uh, is an exclusive analysis on terms of price. In terms of price, you could see that again from the launch. Again, this is again zoomed out view, but again price and the market cap view or for Jasmy are very different. That is because price is a function of not just the adoption of the asset, but also how it relates to the market cap or the total circulation at any point. Whereas market cap is again is a flat analysis of all the coins, what they are worth at any given point. Again, during the launch, it was at around the market cap was at around $1 billion. It did make a new all-time high in terms of market cap in 2024, where the market cap went above 2 billion, but the price was again at that point was at around 3 cents or 4 cents, whereas the all-time high in terms of price was at around $4. So again, that's how the difference in the price versus market cap growth hampers again the longer term investors. So the 20-week simple moving average price based risk is again not too elevated. It's in this green zone. Again, whenever it's in this lighter shade of the green zone, that is between 0.5 and 0.6, that's where major peaks for Jasmy has occurred. So still yet to see those risk levels. All in all, if let's say we are looking at any estimated bull case in the again not too distant future, if there is a counter trend rally, the price could go as high as about 5 cents. In a prolonged bull market, let's say in 2027, 2028, or even 2029, the moon peak for Jasmy forecasted is at around little under 10 cents, which is about, from here it's around 9.7x rally in that stretch scenario. The bull peak without a again major euphoria is estimated at around 6 cents, which is about a 6.5x of the current price. That's the bullish side of things. The bearish side of things for Jasmy is again how low can it go. This is all rounded off to 0, but again that would mean from here the panic case drawdown is at around 50-55%. So that means 55% from a drawdown from here takes the price close to about 0.4 cents. So that's the bear market bottom forecasted by our models. With that, I would like to conclude. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, Please give a like and subscribe, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.